Wildlife Week is celebrated all over the country every year between 2nd October and 8th October. The aim of this week is to conserve animal life in India. The theme of the World Wildlife Day 2020 is Sustaining All Life on Earth. Wildlife helps in maintaining the ecological balance of nature. Killing of carnivores leads to an increase in the number of herbivores, which in turn affect the forest vegetation. Thus, due to lack of food in the forest, they come out from the forest to agricultural land and destroy our crops. Some of the biggest threats to wildlife include illegal wildlife trade, habitat destruction, invasive species, then pollution and climate change. When we conserve and protect the natural habitat of wildlife species, we enrich our planet. To do so, we must keep the animals in their natural place. Conservation of natural habitat will also be beneficial for humans. In our district Palakkad, we have a wonderful wildlife sanctuary, Parambikulam, which was later declared as a tiger reserve. Here is Amira of Plus 2 Biology, our Forestry Club member, to say about the animal diversity of Parambikulam Wildlife Sanctuary.
Parambikulam Tiger Reserve includes Parambikulam Wildlife Sanctuary, 391 square kilometers, which is located in the Chittoor Taluk of Palakkad district. The challenging hill ranges placed here are at an altitude 300 to 1438 meters above the sea level, and the place offers good climate and temperatures ranging from 15 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius. This sanctuary has a rich diversity of animal life, including mammals, 39 species, amphibians, 16 species, reptiles, 61 species, birds, 268 species, butterflies, 221 species, fishes, 47 species, and insects, 1049 species.
Different species of mammals included in this sanctuary are Bengal tiger, elephant, goose, Indian leopard, lion-tailed macaque, bonnet macaque, Nilgiri langur, sambar, barking deer, Nilgiri tal, Travancore flying squirrel, sloth bear, wild boar. Some of the reptiles included here are Travancore kukri snake, Cochin cane turtle, Travancore tortoise, Western Ghats flying lizard, mugger crocodile. Fishes. 47 species of fishes are recorded in the sanctuary, of which 7 species are endangered and 17 are endemic to Western Ghats. Birds. 268 species, out of which 134 are rare and 18 are endemic to Western Ghats. Grey-headed eagle, peninsular bay owl, great Indian hornbill, black woodpecker, etc. Some of the amphibians here are common Asiatic toad, ridged toad, South Indian frog. Some insects found here are butterflies, spider, dragonfly. Since it is a tiger reserve, there are 38 tigers protected here according to 2010 census.
Now, Shreya of Plus 2 Biology will explain about the plant diversity of Parambikulam Wildlife Sanctuary.
Teak is the major plantation species of this sanctuary, which occupies an area of 87 square kilometers. It is the prime attraction of this sanctuary.
Kannimara teak tree.
Kannimara teak is supposed to be the world's largest teak tree, with a base circumference of 6.5 meter and a total height of 48.5 meter. It's about 450 years old and thus is also the oldest teak tree in this region.
This tree has been awarded Mahavriksha Puraskar by the Government of India. Its botanical name is Tectona grandis and it belongs to the family Lamiaceae and order Lamiales. Another important species in this region is Cycas, which is a gymnosperm.
Species having evolutionary significance and are also used as medicine, and also it's a food for tribes.
Our school, Forestry Club and Scout and Guide Unit together organized a nature camp last year at Parambikulam. The typical Palakkad landscape en route, finally we were on the way to the sanctuary and we reached near the entrance of the sanctuary. Wow, beautiful herd of deers moving around the sanctuary peacefully. We are so lucky to watch. Forest officials gave fantastic class to children. They explained the factors that lead to depletion of tiger habitat and the ways to facilitate the recovery of the ecosystem to the maximum possible extent to ensure the viable tiger population. We were able to watch our national bird Pavo cristatus dancing. Very beautiful. We really enjoyed it. We received a lot of information from forest officials. We could also observe tortoises. Children enjoyed the beauty of nature. Inside the Parambikulam Wildlife Sanctuary, we could also observe a group of wild boars. Very wonderful. Larger tree species also we could observe with particular stem patterns. Very fantastic view. So the cycas plant, the evolutionary important plant species, also cactus, particular opuntia species, etc. To get into the deep forest, there are helpful forest staff ready to show what Parambikulam offers. The journey was really informative, energetic, and was a memorable event for all of us. Hope it was enjoyable to you. Please share the video. Thank you all dears for watching.